Good evening. Today is Sunday, January 14, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 14, 2024, Sunday. Here are the SL 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Sunday, January 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, January 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.